What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Victure SC210 wireless security camera. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid $17.99, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, we'll have a quick look around the box before we open it. The only bit of information is on the back of it here, and it just says that it's 1920 by 1080p. It's got a wide angle lens. It only works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It's got two-way audio. It's got motion detection, and it works with iOS and Android devices. Right, let's open it up. The first thing we get is a little card, which is a greetings card, and it just thanks you for buying their product. It tells you you get 1 year's warranty with it, and it gives you details for Victure customer support. So if you have any issues or any problems, you can get in touch with them directly. So after that, we've got the user manual. Next, after that, we've got the camera itself. So this is what the camera looks like. I'll just let you have a quick look around it. So what can I tell you about it? So it's made out of plastic, and it seems like it's pretty well built. It's a lot smaller than the usual cameras. The usual cameras are slightly bigger than these. So right, first of all, we've got the lens in the middle, and that lens is a 3.6mm wide angle lens, which is a 2 megapixel and records at 1080p at 25 frames per second. On the side here, this is where we've got the microphone, and then underneath here, this is what we've got the photoresistor. What it does is it basically senses the brightness of the light, and it controls when to turn the infrared lights on when it goes dark. So it's got two infrared lights, one on either side, and they're pretty large infrared lights. And then underneath there, we've got a micro SD card slot, if you can see that. So that will take up to a 64GB class 10 card. That's everything there. One thing about this camera, it will tilt up and down like you can see here when you're using it, and it will pan to the left and the right as well. After that, on the back of it, we've got the speaker itself for the two-way audio. And then underneath here, we've got the RJ45 port. That's there just in case if you want to hardwire the camera straight to the router box if you don't want it wirelessly. After that, we've got the factory reset button. And then finally here, we've got the power port to power the camera itself. And then underneath here, we've got a 1/4 inch thread, so you can connect a mount to it, but they don't provide you that mount. That's an extra, so you'd have to purchase that yourself. They do actually supply you a mount what fits into here, so you can fit it on the ceiling if you want, and it locks into place, and I'll show you that in a minute. It's in the box. Right guys, that's everything on the camera itself. So we'll have a look what else we get inside the box itself. So we've got the plug socket for it, the 3-pin plug socket. We've got the power wire for it. So that's a USB power wire to a straight pin one. Then we've got 2 screws and 2 wall plugs. And here's the mount, what I was trying to get to quickly. So this is the mount for the bottom of it. So I'll just have a quick look. So you can see the shape of it and the shape of here. You just put it in, basically you fit it to the ceiling that way up. And you just push the camera up, and then you'd spin the camera around to lock it into place. Like so. So it'd lock into place like that. To unlock it, you do the same thing, you turn it and it'd come out. So you can see where it locks into place there in the grooves there, and it's got it on that side as well. So basically it locks into place like that. It's a bit really stiff really. Right, that's done. And that's the mount itself, what they provide with it. So right guys, that's everything I can show you about the camera, and I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. So right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.